We're watching the puffins. That's all I got. Puffins. I was watching through my binoculars, and then the boat's going up and down, and I started to realize I'm getting pukey. So, binoculars came down.
Yeah, me too.
I'm just kind of watching from a distance.
With those mountains.
What were these birds?
Blackbirds, I can't remember their name. Commandants.
Commandants?
Something like that. See that gray house? $8.5 million just for the materials to build it. See this house on this little island? That's his running track around it. He built that pier all the way around his house so he could jog. I think this is called Halibut Cove. Our tour guide said senators, judges, contractors live here. You can only get here by boat or float plane.
My casino crew out with Captain Gabe. We'll get your fish hanging in just a few. Thanks for your patience. Alright guys, so there should be 4 halibut in this one. And I can't find... Okay, should I just give one medium-sized one to this group then and call it good? Sounds good. This one look good?
You guys should have.
Yes, sir. We'll be on to yours. And
I just couldn't find it.
for you. Beautiful ladies. Thank
Sounds
you.
good. Thank you.
Enjoy that rockfish tonight.
Yep.
What's that big fat thing? Oh, salmon.
Oh, this is the one marked in?
Yep.
Sounds good. And who had the link on?
That's first touch there. I ain't giving that one up.
Oh, shit. And the cod here, just both, no marks? Just both in here? Gotcha. And I'm assuming 3 rocks a person?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a very thick boat that you guys have. That's a thick boat that you guys have. Nice. Yeah, I'm ready.
And I got 2 bonus on this one, so take priority.
It's harder to count than you got.
Got it.
Alright, you guys are all good.
Flew up. Slow motion.